Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over the 5 easy mods for a 2019 to 2024 RAV4. One of the easiest things to install is your cargo cover. This will protect all of your valuables from being seen in the back. It's super easy install. These are just spring loaded, so it's easy in and out. Those are about $70 on Amazon. It's definitely worth its weight for sure. Very easy to install and easy to use. Okay, the next mod that we did, accessory, is this Toyota nice thick rubber floor mat for the rear, and it also has the corresponding mats that just basically just stick onto your carpet on the back seats. And these two pieces connect down here at the bottom so that they're together, but you can also lower them separately. And it's real thick, so we've had some sharp objects on this, we've had dirt, we've had all kinds of stuff in here, and they've been great. It's an awesome mod. I think those guys are about $70 also, and that's a Toyota. The third mod that we're going to be talking about, it's really easy to install. This is just a rear bumper protector. It just uses a 3M adhesive, and it goes over here over the top of the bumper, and it just has a little ledge that keeps you from banging things into here. We would have destroyed the bumper a couple of times loading this thing up, but that just takes a little hit and goes right over it. That's been a really good one. We also have a video on this one that we'll link in the description, and this one was about $64. It seems like a lot for a little piece of rubber, but it's very thick, and I think it's made of the same material as our rubber floor mat in the back. Our fourth mod or accessory is these rain guards. We don't have it down too much in the rain, but what it does do is allow you to crack your window and leave it down just a little bit for heat venting, which is pretty amazing, especially here in Texas. And these are the in channel, and so we also have a video on the installation of these on the channel. We'll link, and these are about $70 as well. We prefer these over the ones that just have 3M adhesive that stick over the outside. Those seem to pull off a lot. You can't go through a car wash with them. They're really noisy, and these have been super quiet. We haven't had any issues with these at all. And again, it kind of gives like a premium look to the car, and they've been great. We haven't had any issues with them at all. So one of our favorites. And the last but not least, if you can look in here, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon here in Texas. I think it's about 100 degrees outside. And with this windshield cover, it's actually cool inside the car. That was one of the first things that we bought here in Texas. You've got to be able to protect your dash, protect your interior from the UV rays, and the Delumina, I believe is what it's called. That we bought it on Amazon. It was like 29 bucks. It's super easy to use. It's got full coverage. It's basically custom made for the RAV4. We'll link the video in the description, and also link to the Amazon. So that's top 5 mods for your RAV4. They're fairly inexpensive, and they're all great. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to the next videos, and we'll talk to you later.